This PetroSkills PetroAcademy module discusses historical incident databases, plant layout, and equipment spacing at the core knowledge level. This lesson covers an introduction to historical incident databases. Why should we spend time and effort on this topic? No one person, no single facility, and few, if any, companies will experience enough process safety incidents to build an adequate database. To see the range of ways of going wrong and the most common direct and underlying causes of process safety incidents, we need to learn from the experience of others. Learning from our own experience, learning the hard way, hurts too much. When we do a risk assessment, we are unlikely to notice a way to go wrong that we do not know about, so we are not likely to correct it or avoid it. Every year, there are major process incidents due to unrecognized hazards. Nearly all incidents are repetitions of previous incidents, just change the names and a few of the details. The lessons are available and can be incorporated into our daily work as well as into the design of new facilities. Layout matters. There are always layout choices to be made, and they will directly affect first cost, operating and maintenance cost, and process safety. We usually design for one major incident at a time, controllable within the process unit in which it originates. Many major incident reports show escalation of minor incidents that should have been controllable into major incidents. Learning the lessons will continue throughout your career. Get started the easy way. This section will cover the following learning objectives. Define incident and near miss. Describe historical incident databases, HIDs. Explain how and why HIDs are used. Discuss how process safety metrics apply to the process safety pyramid. And discuss how process safety metrics affect the use of HIDs. After establishing a few definitions, this section will consider some questions relating primarily to metrics. Most of you will have seen the occupational safety pyramid with a fatality at the top and relatively less severe events at the lower levels. There have been several attempts to create something similar for process safety. How would this relate to process safety metrics?